Hey YouTube, Ruckus Matthew here. Today I'm going to show you guys the Honda Ruckus 49cc DR.D full exhaust system. It's around $250 or so. Sounds really nice. It's really small. I've noticed a lot of Metropolitans run this. Also few Honda Ruckuses with battery rear wheels run it because it's so small and it sticks out quite a ways. You will have to rejet it. Also, this Ruckus that it's on right now, it's my dad's. He's run the stock air box with it. I'm gonna start it up for you guys. Very nice exhaust. He's had it on there for 2 or 3 years. Thanks for watching.